Let's say, for talking's sake, you wanted to go 10-pin bowling. With these vouchers, you would get 20% off on your second visit. And if you could persuade a friend to take these tokens, you could receive 30% off your third visit. And all these tokens are redeemable against the buy one, get one burger free token.
I think I can smell shite. Yes, I can definitely smell shite. Bill. Oh my. Congratulations. You have already won £250,000. Please open for details on how to claim your win. Well, that's definitely shite.
Aye, she's absolutely beautiful. Aye, totally up for shagging, you know.
Shagging all night?
Aye!
Shite. Oh yes, that's shite.
Promise to love, honour and cherish to the exclusion of all others.
I do.